Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You will start by shutting down and unplugging the PC. Once unplugged, discharge static by touching a grounded metal object. Remove the side panel and locate the Intel Integrated Graphics connection and the empty or occupied PCIe X16 slot. If a bracket or rear I/O shield obstructs access, remove it now. Make sure the PSU is rated for the Nvidia card you'll install. Confirm available power connectors. Keep screws and small parts organized so you can move quickly to the next step. You will now remove the old bracket cover and align the Nvidia card with the PCIe slot. Press straight down until the retention latch clicks. Once seated, secure the card to the chassis with screws so it won't sag. Connect the required 6 or 8-pin PCIe power cables from the PSU. Make sure they are fully engaged. Reconnect your monitor to the GPU's display port or HDMI port rather than the motherboard. Close the case and plug the system back in for the next phase. You should boot Windows and first uninstall Intel or previous GPU drivers to avoid driver conflicts. If Windows fails to start, use safe mode. Once cleared, download and install the latest Nvidia driver package and perform a clean install option, then reboot at least once. After booting, run a quick GPU stress test and open monitoring software to verify stable temps and clock speeds. If you hit instability, make sure power connectors are seated. Check BIOS GPU settings and update BIOS firmware as a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.